In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a contact form using Wix, whether you're using the classic Wix editor or the new Wix Studio. So grab your cup of coffee and open up Google Chrome, because that's the browser Wix recommends for the best compatibility. Once you've got everything set up and you've logged into your Wix account, head over to either the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Both environments offer intuitive controls, so you'll find the steps are largely similar. With your website open in the editor, your first move is to focus on augmenting your site's communication capabilities. Take a look at the left menu and click on Add. This is a gateway to many wonderful features that Wix provides to enhance your website. From there, navigate to Contact and Forms. This will give you access to a variety of pre-made options, perfect for creating an easy and effective communication channel for your users to reach out to you. The option you're going to select here is Contact Form. Clicking on it will present you with a choice between different templates. Wix is fantastic in offering a variety of templates that are both stylish and functional. If you find one that suits your aesthetic and practical needs, go ahead and choose it. But if nothing quite fits the bill, you have the option to create a custom form. Custom forms are great because they allow you just the right amount of flexibility to ensure it meets your precise requirements. Next up, it's time to roll up your sleeves and customize your contact form. Wix makes this part quite seamless. Click on the form to bring up customization options. Here you can adjust the form fields, adding, removing, or renaming them according to what information you need from your visitors. Don't forget to consider the design elements. The look of your form should be consistent with your site's overall theme. Experiment with colors, fonts, and sizes until you hit the perfect balance that aligns with your brand. Lastly, setting up email notifications ensures you're alerted each time someone submits a form, allowing you to respond promptly. Tailor these notifications under settings to suit your workflow. When your form is exactly how you envision it, the final action is to place it on the page of your choice, whether it's the landing page, a dedicated contact page, or even the footer. Position it where it can draw visitors' attention without being intrusive. You can simply drag and drop it into place, observing how it interacts with other elements on the page to ensure it fits seamlessly. And there you have it. Your contact form is now live, ready to engage with your audience. Be sure to preview your page to see the form in action and confirm everything functions as expected. With this new form in place, your communication channels are more robust, providing an efficient way to interact with your audience. Thank you for following along, and happy website building with Wix!